Get paid in the shadows. How to make money without showing your face. Not like that, but you know what I mean. Listen, I know sometimes, real talk, let's just be real. Your face is not even required for you to get the bag. Nowadays, you can be in your pajamas. You can be in your robe with your hair in a bun and still stacking coins and nobody ever know it's you. I'm about to show you how to make some money in the shadows, okay, homegirl? Because this faceless money is out here and low key taking over the game. It's very, very powerful. And we always talking about ways to earn money without putting ourselves front and center, which is perfectly all right. Maybe you're not that spotlight kind of person. It's still a way for you to get it. Now, let me get right straight to this, okay? It's nothing wrong with you wanting privacy. Let me just say that. I know we use this as excuse. Maybe it's a crutch for us sometimes where we say, I'm just not ready. When I get this, I'll get on. When I get this, I start creating. When I do that to myself, and we're not even going to get into the physical appearances, the pressures from social media. So maybe you just don't want to put yourself out there to be judged by everybody. That's perfectly all right. And can we just get that out the way? Okay. It's perfectly fine for you to want your privacy no matter what it is. If you're shy, or maybe you just starting and train yourself to build your confidence. Okay. Just want a side income and don't have to be on display. I got you. Okay. I don't have a whole lot of times. I just wanted to say, let me get this money quietly. A whole lot of times I wasn't ready to sit in front of the camera or be in an office presenting myself along with this product. All the pressure of branding and standing out. And guess what? I discovered it's possible. Number one, faceless hustle breakdown for you. Digital products. I'm going to keep saying it. Templates, journals, planners. And I've showed y'all how to make all of this on Canva, on this channel. You need to check out my Canva playlist. Created with Canva. Making money with Canva. And if you feel like you don't need a face or fancy branding, all you need is your creativity in your tools like Canva, CapCut. It's a ton of them, but just remember that people are buying your solution, not your face. Okay, not all the time, and you can put yourself in a position to keep your advertising simple, elegant, done. Number two, voiceovers. Voiceover faceless content. Let's talk about this because this is next level content right now. When without showing yourself, screen recordings, slideshows, AI images, I use all of those. I'm into all that creativity. I haven't ventured into this, but podcast is another great way to stay faceless and using, your voice only. So it's not all about your appearance. Sometimes you could be helping somebody income, build a income confidence without them even seeing you drinking your coffee at 5 a.m. And I'm sure a lot of coaches and consultants use this work like this. Number three, reselling. Say it with me. Resell. It's too easy. And a lot of the times you can get the items that you're going to sell for free. There are so many ways. Now, what I did, I was selling clothes. So I would tell the people in my groups, I was a part of a center back then. And I would let the people in my center know. And I had a job. So I would let people in my job know. If you have clothes that just don't fit somebody in the family, would you donate them to me? And that's how I got a room stacked full of clothes. It was too much to handle after a while. So sometimes just making a simple request can save you some time and make you some money. So always consider reselling, whether it's t-shirts, prints on demand, uh, uh, candles. Okay, reselling is a great way to stack some faceless money. Next, I don't even remember what number I'm on, so I did not write a number here. But next, run somebody's social media. Or do I need to just do an instructional video on how to solicit this or how to market this, where your clients are for this? They out there. Social media management, be a virtual assistant. This way you shining, they shining, and you collecting your bag at the same time. All you need to do is be able to handle the strategy of this. You don't have to be on anybody's camera. Once you get your strategy, learning how to schedule things, learning how to reply to customers, put yourself out there on the market and get this faceless money. Next, affiliate links. And I've never done affiliate links. I believe I probably tried in the past. I'm sure I have. I'm sure I have, and probably didn't give it a honest effort. And I think this is probably the most laziest way that we can collect the coin, because affiliate links just are created shops online, okay? And these shops will give you a link, and if anybody clicks this link that they give you, you can post it anywhere. And if somebody from one of your traffic sites click that link, you get a portion of what they buy. What are you losing there? And no face is needed to do these. I mean, you can use all types of logos for these posts, in all type of generic photos for these posts, maybe a family at home, or something describing the product. You do never ever need to use your face, just your taste, and you know how. Am I getting through to you? So look, let's keep going. Let's get right to the juicy part, the cheat code. And here's the cheat code, sis. Staying faceless does not limit your income. Say that with me. Being faceless does not limit your income. Rich people are making millions behind our backs. I saw a lady do an interview, said she sold her company for 600 million. 600 million behind our backs for brands we never see. Brands we never see the face behind the brand. See, your visibility does not equal the paycheck. Your consistency does. So just keep showing up quietly, deliver your value, deliver your message, watch the money flow. Now that you know how to stack this faceless money, you gotta learn how to build your personality. You gotta learn how to get paid to be you. You got to learn how to accept that your personality is your new currency. So I want you to learn how to do that. Turn your energy into your income and keeping your style all the while. Do it right here with me. And I see y'all homegirls on the next one.